Hello, my name is Jahid Hassan. Welcome to my slow English practice video. This video is for beginners. Today's podcast is about my daily routine do every day. In the morning, I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth, I wash my face, and I eat breakfast. My favorite breakfast is egg and rice. It's my favorite breakfast. What is your favorite breakfast? What do you usually eat for breakfast? After breakfast, I read a book. I love reading book. Then I get ready for work. I am a freelancer. I am a Google Ad expert. What is your job? Who do you work with? I work with my team members. After finish my work, I study my homework. Then I eat lunch. I normally eat rice and curry for lunch. What do you usually eat for lunch? After lunch, I get ready for rest. What do you like to do in your free time? In the evening, I relax at home. I watch a movie. I read a book. Then 11 p.m. I go to sleep.